Good Sunday evening, everyone. I hope you have had a wonderful weekend. We've had, actually, forget that. Let's start again. Good Monday evening, everyone. This is a long weekend in Canada, and I forgot all about that. So when I was just about to tell you it's rained all weekend, no, it hasn't. Saturday was gorgeous. Sunday, we had a downpour most of the day, which, yes, I know we needed it. Definitely. Should be sending some of it out to BC because they have got some forest fires going on. I pray for everyone out there for their safety. But we had a downpour. And then today it rained off and on a little bit, but nothing like yesterday. And then the sun came out, went in, came out. Anyway, so you've seen that I have been doing those cake trays, dessert trays that Petra got me hooked on. And so I was asked by my wonderful friend Eva if I would do one on a tutorial for one. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Okay, and that being said, I am using colors that I don't know how good this is going to look, but we're going to try it. Okay, so I'm using our jet black, our winter white. I'm using coffee, double, and I'm going old school, and I am using Artie Sue's Bright Gold. It's the last of her products that I have in the pace, and now that she has retired, there'll be no more getting any of the Artie Sue stuff. So I've been saving and using it sparingly. So we will see how this goes. So we are going to do a cake tray and the coaster set that I do with it. And I am cheating because how I'm going to put my black on is through this. Then I get a direct, ever since I started using these for my mandalas, I've really liked it for the detailed stuff that I'm doing. So I'm also going to show you, I'm working on 3 projects, but tonight you're only going to see the cake tray coaster set. I've got these new lids. I bought this beautiful canister set, and they've got silver lids. So I'm working on the lids to get them to fit into my decor. I'm also doing, yes, you're going to hear it from my mouth, I'm doing a geode. I'm working on a geode. Do you see that? Yeah. So wish me luck with it. Okay, so come on down and we will do, is that good? How far is it taking you down? Come on, stop sliding. Stay. Good boy. Should say girl because you're pink. But anyway. Okay, I'm going to start over here with my coasters. And I'm going to put my black all along the seam at the top. Come in and do it over here. Each one. You can pour this. You can use a squirt gun like I'm using. Squeeze bottle. Now I'm going to do the edge of the circles. And I see a hair. Let's grab it before it becomes part of the resin. Same with here. I'm just doing the outline. I'm not using any alcohol inks this time, so there'll be no, well, there should be no transparent sections. And also, guys, if you find after you do this, your first set, if it's not that thick, if you've got room, let it cure and do a second coat of clear over top, because that'll work really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do, and I'm going to start in the corner of each one of these. And I'm just going to alternate. Oops. Now see, that's why I'm finding that I am liking using the squirt guns or the squeeze bottles much better. Mind you, I also usually use smaller cups. These are pretty big. Let's put more weight there. We just changed where it's going, that's all. You can do your own design with these. Do whatever you like. And just see how they turn out, guys. It's just all fun. Oops. When I did the ocean pour ones, that's different. That's a theme. These are just themes by color, not really design. So that's all I'm doing, is alternating. So it's a puddle pour. It's messy. I'm running out of white, so this will be it for the white. Do the last little bit of brown. I think I will do a brown circle around this one because it's bigger. Brown circle around this one. That one's fine, just the way it is. Okay, this is it for the brown. So let's fill this in with black. Same with over here. Just filling in the spots. Same with here. Excuse me. Oh dear. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of heat. from high up, just to get it to move a bit. I don't want a ton of movement, because it'll do its own thing. Not sure if I like the brown and the black and the white in this, but that's okay. I thought I saw a hair somewhere. Nope. Yes. Nope. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some gold. And I'm just, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm saving the rest of that black for something else. Everything else here, because I'm gonna make a mess. And this is the only place I don't mind making a mess, is in my art. My hubby got me a Timmy's, love him. Okay, ready? I'm gonna make a mess. Yep. My mess. It is my mess, right? And guess what? I'm going to leave it just like this because it looks like threads of gold. Am I going to have a heck of a mess to clean up tomorrow? Only the molds. The paper gets thrown out. I've got color to use in some other little molds. And we will see how this works. I don't have bubbles because I used my resin and there is no bubbles in these. And I think, I'm not too sure, spilt coffee. Okay guys, come on down. Let's take a gander at these. I've got to be careful because I don't want to drop you again in resin. But here we go. So there's the base. And here's the center. Okay, I turned you off. Sorry, I'll add you to the other one. Okay, I don't know if you saw this. This is the base. And we've got a little bit of cell action going on, which is pretty wild because there's nothing in there. But sometimes my winter white does give cells nicely. That's the middle, and there is the top layer. And over here we've got the coasters. And I'm telling you, this looks like gold threads through the whole thing. So I'm not going to add heat or anything. And like I said, my resin doesn't have bubbles, so most of the time, and this is a good time for it not to. So there we go. And those are the lids that I'm working on. They're going to take a couple of days. That's the first layer. It's just a turquoise. And here is, yes guys, I'm doing a geode. I am doing a geode. So we will see how this puppy turns out. So, you guys, sorry I broke it up, but I'll fix it. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.